What if I told you this beautiful home was built from a shipping container? Stay with us until the end, because this incredible tiny house is packed with smart design, ideas that will completely change the way you think about small space living. Welcome to another inspiring container home tour. Today we're exploring a stunning, modern shipping container home that proves you don't need a huge house to enjoy comfort and style. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a bright and inviting living area. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, making the interior feel open and much bigger than you'd expect. The modern furnishings, warm wood finishes, and clean design create a cozy atmosphere that's perfect for everyday living. Moving further inside, you'll find a practical kitchen designed to maximize every inch of space. With smart storage, modern appliances, and efficient layouts, it's ready for everything from quick breakfasts to family dinners. The bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with a comfortable sleeping area and clever storage solutions, showing how thoughtful planning can transform a compact home into a relaxing sanctuary. Every corner of this container home has been carefully designed to combine beauty with functionality. It's a perfect example of how modern architecture can create affordable, sustainable, and stylish living spaces. Whether you're planning your own container, home, or simply looking for fresh design inspiration, this house proves that great things really do come in small packages. If this amazing container home inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which part of the house was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next container home tour.